Turn off the power supply module. Press and hold down the green tag to unlatch the power supply module, and slowly pull it out. Set the power switch to off position. Slowly push the power supply until it latches correctly. Now, turn on the power